Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today we're describing and talking about 5 things I did that got me from a second class lower, so pretty much a bad undergraduate degree, into graduate school and actually excelling in graduate school in the US. So my undergraduate degree was in Nigeria, ABU Zaria to be exact. And all right, so there are 5 things I wrote down here that we're going to talk about. Number 1 is I interned for 1 year. So after my undergraduate degree, it was pretty bad because I mean, if you went to ABU Zaria UO4, you probably can understand, but the environment was really bad. My professors were toxic. I mean, it was a whole ordeal. And I was 19 years old when I was a senior. So I was really young and naive. And so when I graduated, my parents were like, okay, well, you did bad, so let's see what we can do. So what I did was I interned for 1 year with the Department for International Development. So for 1 year, I was working, writing reports, all that stuff I learned. I grew in that year. Number 2 is your statement of purpose must be strong. So in addition to working for 1 year, which helped my CV, I developed an amazing statement of purpose, like a masterpiece. It was very compelling. I had professional editors edit my statement of purpose. And yeah, so that was my statement of purpose, really strong. So that's something I would say you should do. Definitely get a strong statement of purpose for your graduate degree. Number 3 is make sure your GRE, your GMAT, your TOEFL are all excellent. Make sure you study hard and score really high on those exams, because yeah, your transcript is going to suck from your undergraduate degree, but your GRE says portrays a different story about who you are and your intelligence. So definitely study hard for your GRE and excel in your GRE, and your GMAT or TOEFL, whatever exams you have to take, excel in those. That will help you a ton. Number 4 is funny, but it's true. That's what I did. Pick a new school, like a school that is just starting out, because they're not as picky as older schools. Like if you graduated with a 3rd class or a 2-2, you don't want to apply to Harvard, right? Or Yale or UPenn or Carnegie. So pick a school that is good but also has new programs. So for example, I went to Texas A&M University. It's a fantastic school, the best school in Texas. Like the best school in Texas. And but their public health program was relatively new. I think I was the 5th graduating set, or 4th or something. So so they weren't as strict as other schools would have been with admissions. So that really helped me get an edge. Okay. And the last thing I'll say is email professors. So my emailed professors. I was like, hey, my name is Anne. I'm so passionate about public health. I come from Nigeria, a developing country, blah, 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 blah. So you want to get a rapport going with current professors in the department. That would help a lot. I remember I emailed about 5 professors, 2 responded, and I formed a relationship with these professors even before I was offered admission into the program. And I have a pretty strong feeling that the correspondence I had with those professors played a role in me getting admitted to the program. So yeah, email professors, introduce yourself, tell them about yourself, and yeah, and hopefully they respond. And whenever those professors see your name in the application packet, they're like, oh, I recognize this name. Oh, she's a great girl, she's a great guy. Let's give her a chance. Let's give him a chance. Yeah, so those are my 5 tips. That's what I did, really, to go from a sucky undergraduate experience and result to getting into graduate school, yeah, and excelling in graduate school, which is a whole nother video I'm gonna make. If you guys have any questions, put them down in the description, in the comment section, and let me know what I can answer. I am actually making a video on I know the two big topics I've gotten questions on: how to get a scholarship or an assistantship, how to get funding for graduate school, and really steps how I excelled in graduate school coming from a different country. So those videos are coming up. In the meantime though, check out my other videos. I'm gonna link them up somewhere. So check them out, and subscribe, like, comment, share, and all of that. All right, have a great day. Bye.